In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moomoo app to trade. By the end, you'll know exactly how beginners move through the app to buy and sell stocks or ETFs with confidence. Everything in the app centers on three places you'll bounce between. Your watch list is where you keep the stocks or ETFs you're tracking so you can quickly see what's moving. The quotes page is the stock's detail screen. That's where you'll find the live price, the chart, recent news, and volume. And the trade page is where you actually place your order. Think of it as browse, analyze, and execute. To pull up something specific, tap the search icon and type the ticker symbol like AAPL, TSLA, or SPI. Then select it to open the quotes page. Take a moment here. Glance at the current price, scan the latest headlines for context, and note the trading volume to get a feel for activity. Before you buy, it's smart to check the chart. Tap chart and look at the trend over a few time frames, such as 1 day, 5 days, or 1 month. You're simply asking, is the price trending up or down, and how volatile is it? This quick look helps you avoid buying blindly and gives you a sense of recent momentum. When you're ready, tap Trade on the stocks page to open the order screen. This is the key moment. First, choose your order type. A market order is the simplest. It buys immediately at the current market price. It's fast and easy, but the fill price can shift slightly in a fast market. A limit order gives you more control. You set the exact price you're willing to pay, and the order only fills if the market reaches that price. This is useful when you don't want to chase a moving price. Next, enter how much you want to buy. You can type the number of shares, or, if the symbol allows fractional shares, enter a dollar amount to invest. If available and appropriate for your plan, consider setting a stop loss to limit downside and a take profit to lock in gains automatically. These are optional, but they help you define your risk and target up front. Review everything, then tap Buy and Confirm. If the app prompts for your trading password, enter it to authorize the order. Once it fills, you'll see the position in your account. You now own the stock or ETF. One final tip. Try to place orders during regular market hours. That's when liquidity is highest and orders tend to fill faster, with tighter spreads. Outside regular hours, fills can be slower and prices less stable. Take your time, double-check your order details, and you'll be trading more confidently in no time.